Question 14. Solve the inequality. X minus 5 is less than or equal to 3x minus 8, which is less than 2x minus 3. Then, show the answer on a number line. This is really two inequalities joined together, so let's split it and solve each part on its own. The left part. X minus 5 is less than or equal to 3x minus 8. Bring the x's to one side. X minus 3x is less than or equal to minus 8 plus 5. That gives minus 2x is less than or equal to minus 3. Now the important bit. When we divide by a negative number, here minus 2, we must flip the inequality sign. So, x is greater than or equal to 1.5, the right part. 3x minus 8 is less than 2x minus 3. Bring the x's together. 3x minus 2x is less than minus 3 plus 8. So x is less than 5. No flipping this time, because we didn't divide by a negative. Putting both parts together, x is at least 1.5, but less than 5. So 1.5 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 5. On the number line, we use a filled circle at 1.5 because x can equal 1.5, and an open circle at 5 because x cannot equal 5. Then we shade everything in between. Well done! That's question 14 complete.